Hello, today we will guide you through how to activate Vinted Balance. To begin, open Vinted in your web browser and make sure you're on the main Vinted homepage. This is where you'll start the wallet activation process. If you're not already signed in, you may need to log into your account first so you can access your profile and account settings. Once you're on the site, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. This will open the account menu where you can find different options related to your Vinted account. From there, select Wallet. This is the section where you can manage your balance and activate wallet features needed for payments and payouts. After opening the Wallet page, click on Activate Wallet. This will take you to the Setup page where Vinted asks for some personal information to verify your identity and enable the balance feature. It's important to enter everything carefully and accurately, since these details are typically used for account verification and financial compliance. Start by entering your first name in the appropriate field. Then enter your last name. Make sure both match your official information, especially if your account will be used for receiving funds. Next, select your date of birth. Take a moment here to confirm the correct day, month, and year before moving on. After that, enter the last 4 digits of your Social Security number in the field provided. Since this is sensitive information, be sure you're completing this step in a secure and private setting. You'll then be asked to add your billing address. Fill in the requested address details carefully using the billing address associated with your payment information when applicable. Accuracy here can help avoid issues later with verification or transactions. Once all the required fields have been completed, review the information on the page one more time. This is a good time to catch any typing mistakes or incorrect details before submitting. When everything looks correct, click on Activate Wallet to finish the process. After submitting, Vinted should begin processing your wallet activation. In many cases, this happens quickly, but depending on the platform's verification requirements, it may take some additional time. If you run into any issues, double-check that all information was entered correctly and that it matches your official records. And that's it. You've now gone through the process of activating your Vinted balance.